How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Real Room Show, and I guess I had a senior moment. Now, the reason I say that is I was looking on Amazon for a newer radio so that I could review for you. And I came across this radio. It looked kind of nice, and in the description it said for elders, seniors. And I thought, well, I'm an elder senior. Well, actually, I'm past that. And a number of my subscribers are probably seniors. So this would probably be an interesting radio. So I went and got it. It was $25 on sale from Amazon. Comes in a nice box. Now, some people say, what difference does it make what it comes in? To me, over the years, I've noticed that if the packaging of a device, any device, is much better than just a cardboard box, usually the product has higher quality. Just kind of a thing. This is a Dream Sky. And it's AM, FM, and shortwave. And it comes in 3 colors. I got the white. Here's the manual, which is for seniors because the writing, the print is really large. So I appreciate that. So that's one thing that makes it for seniors or elderly. Another thing is, let me get it out of the box here. Whoops. It does have a nice clock, which is on all the time. The backlight is not on all the time. I don't believe even if you're on the AC power, the backlight is on all the time. So it does come with an AC adapter. So another senior thing, you don't have to use batteries or keep having to change batteries. So that's another good thing. Where'd it go? The camera's kind of, there it is, pointing away from it. Got a nice carrying handle. Good. Easy to use. Carrying handle. Good for seniors. On the back, it's got a telescopic antenna, which I don't have stored properly. Earphone jack. Doesn't come with any earphones or earbuds. There's the AC input for this guy. And it comes with 4 AA batteries, which go in here, which is what I'm using. I'm using my AA batteries instead of theirs. Very simple controls. I think this is the main thing that makes it for seniors. There's no auto tuning and search function at all. It's just tuning, just manual tuning. This button here is to set the clock. The plus and minus is just to set the clock. Gee, another senior moment. Power button right there. Nice display. Here is tone control, low and high. Okay. AM, FM, shortwave. So there's all the controls. Very simple. I guess that's why it's for seniors and elders. So let's turn it on. Nice bright, wait a minute. Nice bright background, backlight. Another senior moment. Whew, boy, having a lot of those lately. And then when you got the radio on, it still reverts back to the clock unless you change the change the frequency. So simple tuning, just turn the knob. It's no searching. No. I thought initially maybe these were for searching. Nope, they're just for setting the clock. I don't remember. Oh, I'm going to have to have another senior moment. I don't remember it having any mention of a alarm. Boy, us seniors need alarms. No one to take our medicine. No. I don't see anything about alarms. Well, that's a bummer. Seniors need alarms. Okay, so much for that. Anyway, so it's $25 on sale. Very basic radio. So the thing is, if you're not a senior, or even if you are a senior, but you know how to use automatic tuning and storing and all that stuff, you don't want this radio. It doesn't have ATS. It doesn't have Bluetooth. It doesn't have an MP3 player, which for $25 you can get all that stuff. So this is strictly a radio to make the operation, or has the operation that is very simple. That's what it is. So we'll turn it on. Okay, I'm on FM, and I've got the telescopic antenna down. So let's go to AM first then. And it's just tuning, there's no searching.
Hey anglers, the best fishing charters in the Bay Area at a Hubbard's Marina.
Plenty of volume, very clear.
Catching fish since 1928. They offer everything from family-oriented
So reception is fine. It is, I believe, a DSP, because it does go mute while you're tuning. Like if I tune fast here, let me turn the volume up.
No.
You hear that? Doesn't last very long, but it's there. So the reaction time on the DSP is very fast.
Oh boy. I didn't want to be the first to say something, so I haven't. But now.
Yeah, it's picking up lots of stations.
Saving young
And
lives.
I'm not even pointing it this way, which usually the radios want me to point it that way because the stations are that way.
The 970.
Let me see if I can pick up another weak station doing it this way. No, it's like strong stations or nothing. That's good.
The world, dude.
I don't think it makes any difference. No, doesn't seem to make any difference. It might have. It might have a big AM antenna up here on the top, and therefore the reception is really good, no matter which direction. Yeah, doesn't seem to make any difference. That's good. It's not directional. Okay, so we go to FM, and then I should put the antenna up. Let me get back here and get it. It's about, it does swivel and rotate to some degree. Pretty short. It's probably 14 inches. And we'll go down to the bottom of the band. So the thing is, you don't have any presets. So like most seniors, they have their favorite station, and maybe it's only like 1 or 2 or 3 stations, so they don't need presets. So I say. Now there you can really tell a DSP. There's a weak station there. Yeah, I can't get it. See, we want 89.7. Yeah, it's picking up a lot of stations. I keep my mouth shut so you could hear them.
Latest chapter.
Oh, there's 88.9.
This is SRN.
So that's a little directional. 89.7 is what I'm looking for.
We are
There it
near
is.
peak severe weather climatology for the central southern plains.
Amy Held, NPR News.
In Tel Aviv last night, thousands gathered calling for a ceasefire
No.
with Hamas and the
Let
return
me see.
of the
Let me just
remaining
leave it.
hostages.
Sit there.
Moore
Yeah, there
was
goes the
among them.
backlight.
Hamas
I
is
wish.
holding one of
This is just one of my quirks. I wish you had the option to tell it to leave the backlight on. Now, I realize that draws a lot of power. So if you're using batteries, it's going to eat those batteries with that backlight on all the time. But if you're on AC with the adapter, then you shouldn't have a problem. Now, maybe the LCDs will deteriorate over time if they're left on a long time. Maybe that's it. I don't know. I just wish they would stay on.
before it's forced to take further action.
Okay, we'll go through this quickly. Yeah, see, there's a weak station that picked up. You normally don't get that. Another one. Good audio. Lots of volume.
Or at Google Play.
The following program is sponsored.
Okay, well, you get the point. It picks up AM and FM really well. It's not going to do very good on shortwave because of the short antenna. Plus, it's mid-morning. Best shortwave reception in my area is before sunrise and after sunrise. But we're going to go there anyway. Shortwave. Turn the volume up. The shortwave band is... it's short. Where'd it go? Okay, it was right here a minute ago. Oh, here it is, kind of hidden. It's 4.7 megahertz to 18. Pretty short. But it's basically the international broadcast stations. So let's go down to 4.7. And it does take a while to tune. 4.7, there it is. We'll go quickly. Might not get anything this time of day. Should get something about 6 megahertz. There's WWV and nothing. Doesn't surprise me. Now this is where a scan and store would come in handy. I'm not going to go up very far. Just a bad time of the day. Let's go around 6. Something there. Usually you can get Radio Martini in this area of the band. Nah. Let's try 10 megahertz real quick. It would take me a half hour to get up there. Boy, this thing's finger's getting tired. Yeah, I wouldn't use this for shortwave at all. No. Okay, that's about it. Again, it does have its place if you want a simple radio with modern technology, excellent reception on AM and FM, good sound quality, plenty of volume, has the AC adapter. It's called the Dream Sky. Get it for about $25 on Amazon on sale. And I'm looking for, yeah, there's the model number, DS6226. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.